All right, today we're making a healthier Thai green curry chicken in 15 minutes. First, you want to heat up the pan in a little bit of oil, about 1 tablespoon. Now, you want to have your chicken pre-cooked sous vide, and you'll also want to have your rice pre-cooked. If you haven't cooked the rice, then you'll want to start that first, as that usually will take about 30 minutes. So as the pan's heating up, you want to get all your sauce ingredients and your frozen veggies and the chicken ready to go. So let's give it a quick fast forward. So you want to make sure you're using a cooking oil with a high smoke point. And once you got it piping hot, you can drop that curry paste in and do a quick stir fry. So you work the oil in and make sure we're getting really fragrant in there. It can be a little bit pungent, so make sure you got that fan on. And once you got that nice and fragrant, a little bit of browning, but not too dark, you can start to mix a little bit of that coconut milk in. Once you get it in there, make sure you just stir it evenly and break up all the pieces, make it nice and smooth. And normally here is where I would add the fish sauce and a little bit of sugar. I get nervous in front of the camera, so I forgot that step. But this would be a great time to do it. Get that sugar and fish sauce in there, dissolve the sugar, and stir evenly. And then you can add the rest of the coconut milk in. And stir until smooth. And you're pretty much good to go. From here on out, you can I would start with the frozen veggies, get those in there, let them heat up a bit. Dice up your chicken and get your rice in there, stir it up, and just heat until warm, and you're pretty much good to go. As far as the chicken goes, anytime you use sous vide chicken, especially in a sauce, you want to make sure you pat it down dry after you take it out of the bag. That way you don't get a lot of excess juice going into the sauce, which can really cut the flavor down a bit. You don't want a watery sauce. All right, get that rice in there. I used a little bit of black rice mixed in with white rice, pre-cooked, but here we are, and we're good to go.